Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is gracceykerrymission. To my returning subscribers, thank you always for being here. And if this is your first time, you consider subscribing. Talking live from the village, and actually we have come from that side. That's from town, and we are heading to those sides there. So this is the village, and usually at the village you expect to see green things. Like green things, a lot of things happening here at the village. And this is the rough road here heading to town, and the border is that side. Yeah, so actually, and here I am. Who is this?
Anne.
This is Anne.
Yeah.
Can you introduce yourself nicely?
Okay, my name is Anne, and I was in church. Now I have come from the church. We are heading to our home.
Yeah.
Now we were having my mom and my friend.
The mom is there,
Yes.
and the friend.
Pascaria, can you come and greet guys here? Say hi to them.
Yeah, this is it. This is the village.
Yeah.
See how the village is. People are dancing here. So introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Pasi.
Another name is only one name, or Pascal?
Pasi Pascaria.
You are from church, like?
Yeah.
You rest on Sundays. And this is Mama Anna here.
You am here.
How are you now?
You am fine, my baby.
You
I'm going to home.
We are going to home. We had escorted some of the people. Tumesindikiza marafiki. Yeah. We have got escorted some people. They have gone to town. They are traveling, and we are heading home. We are heading those sides there, yeah. Unasikia tu mama, na sasa mimi hapa nimetoka Kisii huko kote kuja
kweli kabisa. Yaani unatupenda sana. Tumefikia raha. Karibuni sana. Hapa kwetu Kuria.
Hapa ni Kuria?
Hapa inaitwa Kuria Nyabohansi Kuria yani.
This is Nyabohansi Kuria. Yeah. So they are from church, and we were with Mama Anna. We escorted people, and we are going back. So thank you so much. Continue watching until the end. Also, we are enjoying from the village. People are going, I don't know, to the market, and those are corn there. That is corn. This is the village.
Utamshawishi.
Guys, now we are at the market, but then this is what is being sold here. The watermelon. I don't know how much they sell them. So, hapo ndio the village. This is the village. It's very cool now. Wow! We are here. We are going home. Unaonaje, umeenda kufanya nini huko barabarani?
Sisi nilikuwa naenda kusindikiza rafiki yangu ametoka Kisii, mwingine Nairobi. Sasa ndio nilikuwa nasindikiza marafiki zangu, nimefurahia. Walikuja huko nyumbani kwangu kunitembelea, nimefurahia sana.
Saa hii mami ni shujaa. Ndio.
Shujaa. Yaani mpenzi wa kila mtu. Unajua ni Mungu. Mungu ndiye ameniunganisha na watu wengi. Ni Mungu. Mungu wetu ni mkuu sana, ni wa ajabu sana, ni wa rehema. Tukimtegemea na tutendea mambo makuu. Anatutoa chini, anatuweka kati, atutoa kati. Anakuinua.
Anakuinua. So maybe this here in the village. So that's those are they haven't harvested. This harvesting time, and these are the stones that someone wants to build here. Like, so we are enjoying the village. And this is the sand. Imefanya kuchimbwa ama mtu ameleta kuchenga. Oh, this is sand for building. This one here. Yeah, and there is a hole there, I don't know. It is a long way travel, and over there it is the border, like it is the border. So Anna, what do you say?
Me? Me, I just say thank you for coming to visit us. Yeah, in fact we are happy. We are very happy for remembers. No, it's so for sometimes it is so, I don't know, previous, I don't know, it is a month when you came to our home.
It's not a, is it a month?
A month. Yes, but at least now you have come to visit us.
Yes,
we are happy today for receiving many visitors.
Okay.
Yeah, imagine through YouTube.
Imagine, you need to open a channel.
Yes, I will open a channel next year after Form 4.
Next year?
Yes.
Tutachanga hiyo, utapata nimeanza kupata pesa.
Then I will open. Yeah.
So actually I came here, like, I'm going to harvest maize tomorrow. That's why I seemed like I should come and visit you. It's just near here.
Yeah.
Mabera. Ndio naenda kutoa mahindi shambani kesho. And then I saw like I should pass here and say hello to you.
Yeah, in fact,
when I came here, the house was not even started. They had not started even putting the foundation.
Yes, in fact, they have built that house within 1 week.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's very nice, actually. God has really done a very big
is very hard-working person. You know, he was having 2 construction sites.
Yeah.
For his and us. Now, he was just making sure that within few minutes, he was down there.
Up, down, hectic.
Yeah, he was just looking for supervising his mom.
He was supervising 2 things.
Yes, at the same time. No, he's very hardworking, in fact.
Yeah, he's hardworking.
Yeah.
There are some people outside there maybe who talk for him bad things.
Yes. Maybe they thought that, oh, now Marwa is a bad person. But Marwa is a good person.
Yeah.
Yes, he's very kind.
He's very kind.
Yes. In fact, he's very good. He's caring. In fact, he cares for everyone.
Yeah, he talks to everyone, like when you visit him.
Yeah.
And even me had a privilege. Isipokuwa someone wants to spoil my name to this village here, but God is really working and everything is going to be on a good way. Like,
yeah, in fact, God is there. You know, if someone thinks negative about you, God is just there. God cannot leave you.
Because so guys, here I was buying some fruits and I don't know whether they are expensive, but then I put a little bit of it, like they talk of 1,000, but in Kenyan money it's like the 120. Yeah, so I bought a little bit of it and just they're here. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. Sasa nitaibeba kwenda wapi? Nyamira.